What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another weekly episode. I'm here with the wife, as you can see. Oh, be careful. So today's video is a video that's been requested a couple of times actually in my previous videos back weeks ago about doing a tunnel run with the M140i. So today we're heading down to Portsmouth. It's just an excuse, so killing two birds with one stone. So we're going to be filming, driving through the Hindhead Tunnel, making some noise, and of course hearing that insane screamer pipe. Obviously spending the day with the wife down in Portsmouth, and of course later on coming back and obviously doing another run in the Hindhead Tunnel. So this should be interesting. I'm really looking forward to the quality of the video and kind of hearing that screamer pipe, as I know you guys absolutely love that noise compared to the standard stock M140i exhaust. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, subscribe. Yeah. Ready? 3. Look how far the car is behind us.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's insane. Right guys, so as you can see, I'm hoping the camera can see this, the Hindhead Tunnel. So we're going to speed down a little bit, let some cars go. Have it halfway open so you don't get too much wind. Oh, actually, I'll take that back. Alright, so chuck it in sport. Okay. So we're going to go really slow in the tunnel. Oh, maybe not. Whoa! Okay. That's wicked! Is that person happy? He's smiling. He's got an SQ7. That's why. That sounds really, really good actually. Hold on. So chuck it, Sport. Now Sport Plus. One thing I'll never understand, why it pops and bangs and then it just does burbles, which is a bit rubbish. That sounds insane. What do you think?
Sick.
That's good. Third gear. Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Look up. See that I8? Okay. Right guys, so we're going to head down Portsmouth and then come back up again in a bit and we'll do one more run, so it should be good. Right guys, so we are back at the tunnel after a little mini date in Portsmouth. We're going to do one last run in the Hindhead Tunnel. I saw a Ferrari, I thought I'd egg him on, but it just, yeah. Right. Wait, hold on. Woo! Decent. That sounds so much better. We'll do one last pull. Hold on. 40 miles an hour. Not that bad, is it?
Yeah.
Fuck it, we'll do one last pull. Go on. The screamer pipe is insane. Wait, one more. Okay. Better calm down now. Okay. So that was the first time the M140i has been in any tunnel. Actually, that's a lie. It's the second run, but I didn't full pelt it because I had a leak from the manifold from the previous video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the camera actually caught that and sounded pretty good. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. Could it be louder? Should we take the back box off? Let me know in the comment section below. Obviously subscribe and all that good stuff, and obviously check my wife's social media stuff out as well.
Yeah.
Her car one as well. Cool.